How to solve this question? So basically, we have to find out the value of x. So what we will do here, because we know that we have the square root, and to remove the square root, we know that we have to do the square, because square root of something means power 1 by 2. The exponent is 1 by 2. And to remove this 1 by 2, we have to do the square of the number, right? So that it will cancel out and we will get x power 1, which is 1. So when we will do the square of the left hand side, so same thing we have to do for the right hand side also, right? So because it is not affecting the equation, right? So when I did the square root of square of both sides, so I am not changing it to that. This is square only. This square cancel out the square root, so you are left with this and this. After that, I have to remove the second one also. So what I will do, again, I will do the square of both the sides. So it's give me, wait a minute, it's not required. Yeah. So it give me 27. Square of square means 2 multiply 2, which is 4. That is equals to. So again, I will see here we have this thing also. So I will do the square of this and I will remove this also, because square of this and square of this. So basically this square will cancel out this one, right? And we have to do the square of the outside part of the, which is x. So now this x square, and we are left with x square root of x and one more root, right? So x square multiply with x, because x square multiply with x means in multiply we have to add the exponent, so it's power 3. So x power 3, and then you are left with this, that is equals to 27 raised to the power 4. Again, I have to do the same thing when I have to do the square again. So the square of this is give me 6, and with the square I just remove this one out, this one. So you are left with this, that is equals to 27 raised to the power 4 times 2, which is 8, right? After that becomes 7, because 6 and this is 1, 7, and square root of x and 27 raised to the power 8. Again, I have to do the square. So now when I do the square, it becomes 14, because square of 7, 7 multiplied to 18. And then that square also remove the square root of this. So you are left with this. And 27 raised to the power 8 multiplied 2, which is 16. So x power 15 is equals to 27 raised to the power 16. So you are left with, because this 15 power will go to that side, becomes 1 by 15. So x is equals to 27, 16 over 15, because whenever you have square and it change its side, square becomes square root. So if the power is 15, basically it goes in the denominator. It's just reciprocated. So 15 goes 1 by 15, and 16 multiply 1 by 15 is 6 over 15. So that's the final answer, right? Easy. Yeah. So thank you. Thank you so much.